Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to use FlexiBuzz. I'm going to show you how to use it on a computer, but it's very similar when you do it on your phone. So there might be a few changes, but I'm sure you'll be able to work it out. So first of all, I'm going to open FlexiBuzz on the computer. If you type in FlexiBuzz on the computer, you'll see it actually is this one that comes up, webtizbiz.com, because I think that was their previous name. So you're going to click on that. On your phone, you should have already have downloaded it as an app. And prior to this tutorial, you're going to want to have got the code that Kenneth has sent to you and to have logged that into the class code on your phone. Otherwise, you won't be able to access the rest of it. Now, when you go in on your phone, you may see this view, which is the view that we're going to use in a minute, or you may see this view, which looks a bit like this. There you go. And it says, I think it says enter here, where you can see all of the posts. So assuming on my phone, often this is the screen that it comes up with first. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go up here to find, and it will not say manage account. I can just check on my phone here. It says, let's just have a look on the app. It goes up, and in the corner, it goes, if you click the person icon in the corner, this section won't come up. So it will take you straight through to the admin side of it. On your phone, you'll need to scroll down to the part that says Launch FlexiBuzz Admin. You'll need to click that. On an Android phone, if you can see that, it is halfway up. It's there, launch. But on an iPhone, I'm pretty sure the instruction of it is right at the bottom of that screen. So you might have to scroll down. Click Launch FlexiBuzz Admin, and it will take you into this screen here. And this is where you post from. So all you need to do is put in a title and a body of your post. So you might put in that we're going to create, first of all, put that you're going to create a post. And then it will give you editing rights to here. So say you're on a school trip, for example, you're posting about the children's breakfast. So I'm just going to put breakfast. In the body of the text, I'm going to put having a fantastic time, looking forward to all the exciting activities ahead. Now, just bear in mind, this goes out to a different groups of parents. So if you are sending it out to a whole year group, you might want to identify that it's your class specifically. So you might put 6R SG, having a fantastic time, look forward to all the activities today. Please keep it in the third person. Don't put we, don't say I am or you are. Keep it as they are doing it. Okay, then you scroll down to this bit where it says PDFs and images, and you add files. Okay, it will link to my computer, and I can put a file in here. On the phone, it will link to your phone's gallery. I can select my WhatsApp images, or I can select my photo gallery. Just be aware, on my phone, I've had a few difficulties where when I've added more than one or two images, it has said that I've exceeded the file size. Often that's because the photo sizes are big. So you can get a compression if you know how to do it. You can get online compression software that will just compress your photos down to a smaller size. It won't change the actual size of them, but it changes the image file size. You can do this just by uploading the photos and then downloading them straight again. And I've had to do that quite a few times on my phone, sometimes on my computer. So just be aware, if you're adding a big group of images, either you might need to split them into different groups, or you might have to compress the file size because it does have, as it says there, a limit on file size. So once you put up your photos, then you click send to. So when you click this add box, you will only get a list of all of the ones that you're already invited to, that you've already put in the code into. I have got access to all of these. You may have, for example, only access to sports, ISAC, swim and meet. Then you tick the ones that you want to send it out to. So if I wanted to send it out to more than one group, I could. If I decided that I didn't, that was wrong, I could just put the cross button, take those off. And I only wanted to send it out to this one, for example. Then you can publish now, which is what I use all the time. If you are working while you're away from school on a residential or something, and different teachers might be posting different things. You might want to organise a time when you all post. So everyone posts in the morning, everyone posts in the evening, because otherwise, if some teachers are posting all the time and other teachers aren't, some parents we do get messages going, oh, I haven't seen anything to do with my child yet. Also, during some activities, it's impossible for us to send out messages. You may not have internet. You may be an activity in a rainforest that is impossible for you to get any internet. So you may want to organise that with your other teachers before you start posting. So I recommend while you're out on a school trip, in the morning and in the evening is sufficient. And then you just click the publish button. I'm not going to do that now. If I did, it would come up with your post has been successfully created. Please, please be careful that, which is what we check when we get messages, is that all of this is spelt correctly, is grammatically correct, because it is going out to a group of parents. It's our public face. So it's really, really important that you put it in the right tense. It's all spelt correctly and there's no errors. If you suddenly realize there is an error, you can change it. Below this create post here, you can go click here, edit and delete, and all the posts that you put up will come. And if you click on it, you can then get into edit and delete it. So that is FlexiBuzz. You'll then, once it's sent out, it will go out to all the parents in those groups, and they'll be able to view everything. So nice and quick and easy. Thank you.